Hi guys, my name is Rochester. Welcome to this video. If you're new to my channel, hello. I do makeup tutorials and I've always done, well, I've done I think one or two what's in my bags, but I know one what's in my bag definitely. I'll link that in the description for you guys below. It's with my makeup course Selma Satchel, I believe it was called or is called. Before we get into the what's in my bag aspect of this video, I want to tell you guys about the hair that I'm wearing. So the hair that I'm wearing is from Klaiyi Hair. This is what it says. Is it upside down? I'm assuming it's upside down. There we go. That's their handles and everything. This is what the hair came. It came in this bag, this pink bag, and I only have one bundle left. I have a bundle of 14 inch. Everything is 16 inches, but I did go ahead this is their Indian deep wave, and I had another pack of Indian deep wave that I had to add to this. That's a 16 inch because I got sent three 16 inch including the closure. I'm wearing a closure, not a frontal, and then the 14 inch, and the 14 inch was just completely out of like lengthwise for me. I couldn't think of how I could make it work, so I just added another Indian deep wave to it, and you can't tell the difference. This is how lush and full the curls are. I just made the wig, popped the wig on my head, and this is it. I also did something on my Insta stories. If you're not following me on Instagram, definitely do. My name on Instagram is Rochester. But look at that, it's just really nice and full and really soft. I love working with companies that I don't have to, and I hope you guys can understand my term that I'm about to use, oversell. I don't say oversell. I know that's kind of like a red flag. So you might be thinking also, you've been faking it in these streets, girl. I haven't been faking it, boo-boo. I have not been faking it, honey. But you don't have to try too hard to say, guys, this is good hair, because I know for a fact that this hair, that's Klaiyi's brand on a whole, is good hair. I'm so grateful for the companies that are reaching out to me, that I've established a long-term relationship with, because they're not sending me no bogus hair, honey. They sending me no bugaboo hair, honey. Nah, boo-boo, like, this hair is legit, baby. 16 inches, closure, Klaiyi Hair, Indian deep wave. And y'all will see her again. Look at these curls. I love how that light is hitting these curls. It's beautiful. It's nice. Let me pull this back some more. I love it. I love it. So let's get into the what's in my bag portion of this video. Alright, so Klaiyi Hair on the head. I'm about to talk to you guys about the bag that I want to show you what's in my bag with, and it is actually the Speedy 30 in Damier Eben print. I bought this bag off of Fashion File. Fashion File is a company that you can purchase pre-loved luxury items from, and that's where I got this bag from. I've been wanting. I have to go for my phone. Let me get my phone because it's charging, but let me get my phone. My phone was charging, but I went to get, I took a screenshot for you guys to kind of tell you guys how long I've been wanting this bag. Alright, so first of all, I had this bag, as a replica, and this is it. This is on my Facebook page, and I just screenshot it from. That's my Michael Kors purse. That's wallet. We call it purse in Jamaica. So that's my Michael Kors purse. That one is authentic, and that's a Speedy 30 replica. And this one was May 14th. I mean, 1st of May 2014. So that was 5 years ago. Wow. This bag has since been destroyed because I don't know. It's not. I don't know. I won't bash it. Say it's because it's not authentic. Because I'm assuming you have really good replicas out there, but this didn't last. So this was which is from 2012, right? So this was my birthday wish list for the I posted this on the 22nd of November 2013, and this is what I had on my wish list: that Michael Kors watch, the Speedy, this. So I didn't get it yet, which I have this now. This watch is like at out of stock or whatever, or discontinued. I have this watch now. It's so weird. And I mean, yeah, I have Bridget's, and I don't have this style bag. So I've been wanting this bag and the other the other Louis Vuitton bag for 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 6 years. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I've been wanting this bag for 6 years. Wow, 6 years I've been wanting this bag. So let's go into what's in my bag. I'm gonna put some clothes on and then angle you a little bit down so you can see in my bag. So I'm gonna be right back. Alright, so this is what the bag looks like. This is just like belt that came off one of my pants, and I have the lock that came with the bag here on the bag. So this is it. My phone would normally be in my bag, but it's not. It's out here. So yeah. So I went in the bag. As I said, it is pre-loved, which means it was used, pre-owned, all that good stuff. So on the flap here, my side, I realize that some of them have zippers. Mine don't have a zipper. It just has like the slit. And in this pocket here, I have my University Hospital of West Indies card, my MIMS card, and this is when I'm going to do my hospital visits. I need this card because they have to stamp it and stuff and date it for when I'm supposed to go back. So this is that. And then I have again a little slot pill because I get headaches often, especially with this pregnancy. I get a lot of headaches. And then I have this bag that has like my blue tongue ring and my septum, because I bought a new tongue ring and a new septum. So that's in there. And oh my god, okay, good. And then I have my poopery. Girl, I don't know what y'all been doing that poopery, honey. So this is this is what you do before you number 2. So before you go to the bathroom, you spray it in the toilet and you let your business flow, and the scent is concealed. Poopery's life, I'm just saying. And then I have my other Michael Kors watch. It is cracked, so I need to get it fixed. So I think it fixed probably next week, but that's what that looks like. And in here I have the, I think it's called an authenticity card. It just says coated fabric, cowhide leather trim. Yeah, and that. And then I have the keys. That's for the lock for the bag. Okay, so that's that. Alright guys, let me just turn on the fan. It's really hot. Anyway, so inside the bag, this is what I have inside of my bag. And the first thing I have is my daily bread. I bought this recently at a bookstore. I'm on day March 16, but I bought it on the 14th of March. This is recent, and it's just basically daily bread. It's like a devotional. I have a lot of devotionals in here actually. And this one is by Sylvia Dallas. It says, when I pray for him, a wife's guide to praying the word over the life of her husband. So that's that. I do not like to read. I don't like to read, but because of where I am now in my life, and I'm going to explain all of that soon. I'm out of breath, and all I did was went for a cushion and turned on the fan. I'm out of breath. Okay, so then I have my Michael Kors pouch in here. It came with another bag, but I gave that away. Just a Michael Kors pouch, and it has like 3 card slots here and like the tag or whatever. So in this pouch though, I have this file. Oh my, I have the fashion file, and you actually get a fashion file with each fashion file purchase. Then I have a mini scissors in here. That's a little scissors. Then I have my favorite pens in the whole entire world. RSVP pens, I have 3 because Jeremy big up buy some. And then every time I take one RSVP pen, himself a pen, and I say, no, your pen, my pen. So I pick up all of my pen, put them in my pouch, put them in my bag. Call my pen. I'm looking blue on the dress stock. That is film pen, but then here is my pen. So yeah, so that's there. And I have one of my favorite lip gloss in the whole world, literally by Kylie Cosmetics. And I have like some change and what is like a tag when I go to the bank and stuff, that. And I have this Fontana bag holder thing that you put on tables, and a bag hangs here. So I have that in there, right? So in the rest of the bag I have my deodorant because I sweat a lot. I have no little travel size, honey. I have a full-on deodorant because I'm a sweater. Okay, put that there. Then I bought this one. I bought the Daily Bread, and this is just a 5-star little book, but I kind of just write. I don't know if you can see, like write my thoughts. See, oh, you're seeing there, yeah. I write, and I bought this pen with this as well. This pink pen, this pink RSVP pen. Favorite pens in the whole entire world. I want them in each color. I want the rainbow in these pens, and red, purple, green, lavender. I don't know, turquoise, girl. I want them all, baby. Okay, so this is that. So I use this to just jot down my thoughts, how I'm feeling, and it's new because I actually used to use this book to do that. What is? Oh, this book to do that, and again RSVP pen in purple. But one of my thief I stole this. I found this in our car, and I never asked whose it was. I just thief it. Shh. Right, so I have this, and I bought this when I was in Florida last year, and I bought it at Ross, $5. But I love these booklets. But look at this, like, girl, is well used, honey, well used. I used to write my thoughts in there, how I'm feeling, budgets, grocery lists, all of something there. I write in here. When people have them orders, I write in here. So now I reserve this for just like my little diary, like how I feel and writing what I want to write on there. Especially with this pregnancy, I'm writing a lot. And I'm embracing it because I hate to write. I'm embracing it. But this is what I'm going to use now, like for business, where I kind of just write down like sales and stuff, because I am selling my fitness belts myself. Again, so I write the names, numbers, amounts, where it's being shipped to, all that good stuff in here. And then, oh, Jonathan passport. Whoa, whoa, my nice clean stuff. It was here at my mother's house, and then I took it out to carry it home, and it's still in my bag. So what are you gonna do, love? Nothing is what you're gonna do. Then I have lotion. Do not bash this company. I just didn't choose a really good scent. It's called Allen Botanicals lotion, because my foot ever dry, and ever dry, but I don't care. Come here, look, every foot dry, not true. Some of us do care, but I don't. And I have this, but it doesn't smell good. It really does not smell good, but I have it in my bag same way. What else? I have my battery charger for my camera. I have my purse. This purse is in my last what's in my bag. It's just my Michael Kors purse, just zip around purse, and a zip is here. Then they have like some slots here, one here, and they have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 slot thingies for we call those like cars or whatever. I have that in there. Then I have my devotional that I got from my girls last year for my makeup class in Florida, and it is a aliexpress. It says aliexpress right here, but when I went to this website because I wanted to get one more, I couldn't find her website on Google, and then it kept on like plugging her name in like other book websites and like Christian book websites and stuff. So I would really want another one of these devotionals, because look at this. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. So it's like as you're reading, right, it's like a devotional journal. So you read and then you write. And as I tell you, I have been writing, excuse me, because I have been I'm just in that mode where I'm just reading and writing, So yeah, so that's that. Home stretch, you guys. Rotted. My lash. What is in here for? So, okay, so sometimes when I take off my lash them, now I just put them in the car or something. So I want to keep this in my bag. No, I just started it. I want to keep this in my car, like a little lash holder, so that when I take my lashes off, the tray fell out, I can actually store my lashes properly, rather than having just floating around in the car and destroying the lashes. Because they were mostly mink lashes from my lash line, and they're quite expensive, so I don't want to be throwing them around in the car. So I have that. Then I have my makeup brushes, because I packed up my stuff to come buy here at my grandmother's house. So these were just in the bottom of my bag. I need to put them with the other set. So these 2 makeup brushes, and again another RSVP pen. You guys must think I'm weird. Another RSVP pen, and I also have a Sharpie. I'm not sure why. I think this Sharpie was in this bag and somewhere it got loose, but I don't know why. And at the bottom of my bag, I have a base shaper, and this base shaper is from eBay. It was like probably $9. You can buy some other ones for like $24. 30, 50, but I'm not about the life. I just wanted something to keep the structure of the bag because it's like a bucket bag. So if I load it up too much, it's going to like look like this, you know, like lose the shape, and I don't like that. I like when it looks flat like that, even though my bag is pretty packed, and it really is. Then I have my Scotia card in here. At the bottom I just have like trash and like some loose change. That's it for my what's in my bag video featuring the Speedy 30 in the Damier bean print. Yes Baba, I still come. Alright, I still come, okay? That's it for my video, you guys, on my Speedy 30 Damier Bean from Fashion File. It's a pre-love website. No, I'm not an affiliate, sorry. I wish I was, but I'm not an affiliate with Fashion File. I found out about Fashion File through Jewish Couture. You guys do not know this about me, or maybe some of you do. It's my best kept secret. I love watching luxury videos. What's in my bags, hauls, best handbag of 2018, handbags I won't buy no matter the hype, my best purchase, my worst purchase. I love watching those bag videos and just like SLGs, all that good stuff. I love watching luxury videos, and you guys may not know that about me, but I really do love watching those videos. It just makes me just want to think and just be like, maybe I can get there one day, you know. Maybe I can afford a Louis Vuitton piece, maybe I can afford a Chanel piece, maybe I can afford a Givenchy, sorry. In Jamaica we call it Givenchy, believe it or not. In Jamaica we say, yeah man, a Givenchy, that's what we call it. So Givenchy, Celine, it's just like, you know, maybe one day I will be able to afford these. And bruh, I'm holding my a luxury bag in my hand, like, and the thing is, I love the classic Louis Vuitton bags. I do not like the new styles that they have coming out with. I do not at all. So I love this bag. I love the base shape as well in it, and it's plastic. If you guys want me to do handbags, I like my luxury wish list, I will definitely do that. I would actually love to do that video, so please say I want to see that video. Let me do that video. And I just want to talk about the stuff that's in my bag. Now that we're at the end of the video, so for those of you who came for what's in my bag, thank you, it's finished. So I just want to talk now. Right, so in my bag it's just filled with devotional stuff, and that's because I have endeavored, even from like my New Year's resolution was to just build a stronger devotional life. I'm sorry if you can hear my son's music in the background, okay, I'm very sorry. It was to just build a stronger devotional life, and I just never got around to it until probably 2 months now. We're in March. Yeah, my hair is blonde underneath. Probably 2 months now is when I had gotten around to sticking to me having a very strong devotional life, and I'm telling you, it has not done me wrong. I'm having devotions in the morning, sometimes mid-afternoon, and definitely at night. So morning and night is a must. And I listen to the audio. Where's my phone? Okay, so I listen to the audio Bible. This is the Bible app that I have on my phone. That one up there, this one is what I have on my phone. And on here I have my I had more plans on it, but I since then finished those plans. So now all I have are these 2 plans. That's no there. So this one is the 365 Bible plan, and this one is the an 80-day one. So this one is my night one that I listen to, and I follow it almost every single time. This one is one I listen to in the mornings. Now, even though I'm falling asleep every single time, I'm a strong believer in like your subconscious. The Bible also said faith comes by hearing, and hearing the word of God. So with me just listening the Bible even in my sleep, I believe it's doing something to me. My mindset has changed, how I think, how I do things, how I go about my life. It has just completely changed, and I'm so grateful for that. It's just like, you know, like a self-realization kind of a thing. So I'm searching for devotionals. I'm searching. I want a hard copy Bible. My friend Jimbe Chantel has one. I know some of them people call that as more one Bible, like if you have the sexy bad. I want that. I want to get different color pens, highlighters, I want to write, I want to do all of that, and I'm just grateful for where I am now, and I'm learning how to guard where I am. I'm learning how to guard my husband and my son, my family. I'm learning how to do all of that at age 30. Shit, I'm about 1985, 2019, 4, haha. Ooh, I'm 33 now. I'll be 34 this year. Okay, good. So yeah, at age 33 is when it's just becoming need to me, and honestly I really think it's this baby. Because let me tell you why I think it's this baby. Because with Jonathan, Pull Me by Lyric was birthed out of Jonathan. You know what I mean? Like, Pull Me by Lyric was, I started Pull Me by Lyric because I was pregnant with Jonathan and very depressed, and it's like I wanted to do something, and I started Pull Me by Lyric off of pre-sales. That's how much I know that you guys ride for me. You know what I mean? I started that company out of pre-sales. No, the sales have dropped drastically. I'm lucky if I get like a sale a day. You know what I mean? But I'm not even looking at that. I'm looking at that as well. Let's redo it. What new do we need to do? What's your strategy? What's your strategy? What you gonna do, boo-boo? You know, so I'm rethinking, redoing, everythinging. You know, and I'm just grateful for this place I am now. So last time my bag had so much of these devotional things in it because I need it. I never ever, well, I've always envisioned me owning this bag, but I didn't. You know that you're gonna get it, but it's like, nah, yeah, but yeah. That's how I felt. Like, I can't believe I own this bag. Shout out to you, Fashion File. You girl, you want this fuck up, boo boo. And I can't wait to share with you guys some other bags that I'm just like, wow, this is mine. But I'll talk to you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. Please don't forget to subscribe if you made it to the end of this video. Is there a giveaway for this hair, or is another hair? If you made it to the end of this video, there's a giveaway for this hair and my hair. Let me double check. Hold on, let me turn my data. I'm going to link the giveaway in the description bar below, but I'm going to put it weirdly. Zine. I hope the company approves of me doing it this way, because I want my true fans to actually win, you know. Alright, so okay, so the giveaway idea. Alright, so yes, so I'm not going to tell you what it is because it's long, but it's the email that I got from them. So I'm going to post this email in the description bar below. Okay, in the description bar below for you guys. And yeah, yes, that's it for this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Okay, so if in the video you see the title giveaway, is because the company said I don't want a title giveaway in it, but I don't put that title in because I don't want like leechers to be coming and getting what y'all should be getting. You've been here for like what, 19 minutes anyway, so I don't see what's what, 19. I don't know how long you've been here. I don't know how long I edit this, but you've been here a while. Thanks for your support, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.